October 15, UPI He didnt score a touchdown on the play, but Kendall Fuller still had the best celebration of the day after an interception for the Washington Redskins. The cornerback made a great play with 9 seconds remaining in Sunday's 2,624 win against the San Francisco 49ers. Quarterback C.J. Beathard threw a deep pass to the right side of the field, intended for George Kittle. Instead of the pass finding the rookie tight end, Fuller reached up and snagged an interception. He ran to the Redskins sideline before sprinting toward the end zone. Fuller's teammates, including safety DJ Swearinger, raced to meet him in the end zone. After they arrived, Swearinger started frisking his teammate before turning him around and putting him in invisible handcuffs. After the game, Swearinger told reporters about the idea behind the celebration. "Lock him up. I guess we locking up," Swearinger said, according to the Washington Post. "He locked the game up at the end, so I had to lock him up. I just told him big players make big-time plays in big-time situations. And he did that." Swearinger also earned a penalty flag earlier in the game for getting into it with former Redskins wide receiver Pierre Garçon. "I just had to stand up for my guy, you know," Swearinger told NBC Sports. "One of my guys went down and Pierre was celebrating. When a guy is hurt, you should celebrate. I was standing up for my guy. He sort of headbutted me a little bit, but I gotta keep my cool in that situation and be a better captain." Redskins defenders also did a pat-down celebration in training camp.